Hello everyone, my name is Mike and today I'm going to talk about probably the most exciting news of this event, new features of ONLYOFFICE Docs 7. A brief intro first. Why do people choose ONLYOFFICE Docs? Because it has all necessary editing tools, it supports all popular formats, it lets you collaborate seamlessly in big teams, it is secure and it's open source. And besides, it's very convenient to use and it's user-friendly and it's constantly improving. And I want to tell you that version 7 brings a lot of news in each and every aspect of this. So let's discover. ONLYOFFICE Docs has always included free editors for text documents, spreadsheets and presentations. And now it also has an editor for online forms. So the form editor is basically a part of a document editor. Form editing is available in all our solutions for web, desktop and mobile, and it's also possible to work with forms in all integrations. The main formats we work with here are docxf for form creation and OForm for sharing and filling forms. Forms and ready documents can be also exported to PDF and docx, and more formats are coming soon. Online forms in ONLYOFFICE Docs are open source. In ONLYOFFICE Docs, you can work with all necessary editing and formatting tools. You can fully work with multiple types of complex objects, perform calculations with over 450 formulas, and create beautiful presentations. Each editor has a collection of plugins to let you do even more, for example, translate text, create bibliographies, insert and play videos, etc. Version 7 brings lots of new features. For the start, query tables in Spreadsheet Editor. Now you can view and save them back without losing anything. Query tables allow preparing data for reports and analysis by combining values from one or more tables in your spreadsheet. Mail merge was improved. You can now import content from URLs and local files to create personalized mass mailings with it. You can find it in the Mail Merge menu located in the Home tab right next to the styling settings. Since version 6.4, Spreadsheet Editor allows you to autocorrect hyperlinks and local paths to make them clickable automatically. Now it's possible to do so in text documents and presentations as well. You can set it up in advanced settings, spell checking, autocorrect as you type. Presentations became more alive. Transitions for slides are located in the new Transitions tab, and now ONLYOFFICE also plays animations in presentations. There is good news in plugins as well. Now you can add Jitsi, a very popular open source conferencing tool, to make calls directly from ONLYOFFICE Docs, and this basically adds the whole new dimension to your collaboration process. You visit our GitHub to find more information about it. Now, as we come into collaboration, ONLYOFFICE Docs has two modes for co-editing, commenting feature with mentions, track changes and reviewing, document comparison, version history, and more. In a new spreadsheet editor, each of the collaborators is assigned their own personal color, and you can find where exactly they are editing. Their selection will be highlighted with this color. The changes the users are making can now be accessed in spreadsheet version history, and there you can browse all revisions with users and dates and selectively restore them to retrieve certain data or just to undo changes. You can find the history in the File tab. Comments menu now allows sorting the comment list. You can choose alphabetical or chronological order. This feature is available in all editors. There are different ways for displaying track changes when you are reviewing a document. At the moment, you can choose between balloons and tooltips. To change the display style, go to the advanced settings. There are multiple formats ONLYOFFICE Docs works with. Core formats are docx, XLSX and PPTX. It also supports ODF formats and other popular ones including TXT, RTF, HTML, PDF, CSV, etc. With online forms, now we also have docxf and OForm, one for creating and collaborating on forms and another one for filling them. You can fully work with both from the web, and you can also open the forms in mobile apps to fill them. The forms are also compatible with PDF. You can export them if you prefer the PDF editor for forms or you wish to share them in a more common format. And last but not least, now you can export presentations in picture formats such as JPG and PNG. Docs will create an archive with separate slides stored as images. And overall support for all Office Open XML features was improved greatly. including the introduction of new mechanics and a work with existing objects and attributes. ONLYOFFICE Docs is very secure, and it is so by design because you can host it on a private server. You can also protect files with digital signatures, encrypt them with passwords, add watermarks, and apply several restrictions. Sharing permissions are plenty to choose from. Share files for viewing or editing, or restrict actions to commenting, form filling, reviewing, and custom filter. In version 7, we made a step that a lot of you were waiting for. Now you can encrypt spreadsheet files and separate worksheets in them with passwords. Self-protection is coming in the future. And of course, what makes ONLYOFFICE Docs naturally secure is open source code. Speaking of open source, we decided to release the premium features from business products in all solutions of ONLYOFFICE in a new version. First is document comparison that allows you to compare two separate files and quickly find changes in the content. Content controls, which currently include types such as plain and rich text, pictures, combo boxes, drop-down lists, dates, and checkboxes. And sheet views in spreadsheets. This allows you to create individual modes of viewing worksheets with your own presets for filtering and sorting. In this case, you can work independently from others with your own filtering and sorting parameters. You can also save these presets for your later use, and you can share them with your colleagues. Usability and accessibility is one of the reasons why people choose ONLYOFFICE Docs. The interface of Docs is based on tabs, where you can find everything you need intuitively and without much effort. Dark mode is available to let you work comfortably in dimmed light. Display is automatically zoomed according to the settings of your browser or operating system. And to make you work more swiftly, there are shortcuts for your keyboard that let you perform quick commands. And recently we made a new step in improving accessibility, adding colorblind-friendly objects. Since version 7, dark mode in Document Editor features dark canvas, which you can switch on and off. In this case, text and objects will be automatically adjust their colorways to stay perfectly visible. Shortcuts in version 7 are amazingly easy to use. You don't need to remember a ton of commands. Just click Alt and you will see hints about all possible combinations. You can scale the editors for up to 500% now. The setting will automatically apply it according to your browser or operating system. ONLYOFFICE Docs is available in different installation packages: DB, RPM, Docker, Snap, UCS apps, AMI, Kubernetes, and more. Version 7 is coming in all of them. Besides, Docs will be soon available as a cloud application. It's going to happen in a few days, so I'll keep you posted. Thanks everyone for staying with me for this presentation. If you can't wait to try everything yourself, I have a good news for you. The version is available today. And you can find all necessary links and content information on the slide, and don't hesitate to check the QR code. You will find a lot of useful resources there. I am now open for questions, and after that, Ali will tell you more about ONLYOFFICE applications for mobile and desktop platforms. Thank you.